Hey guys, welcome back to SLT Learning, and this is Ankit Prajapati, and today we're gonna cover another questions on Selenium for the QA automation job role. So if you are applying for the QA automation engineer, or if you are preparing for the interviews, right? I would suggest just go through this our playlist, which contain almost all the common questions that has been asked in a interviews by the different MNCs and the recruitment companies. So I will suggest just go through it and prepare for your interview. Okay, so let's see what we're gonna cover today. Okay, so why we do use set collection in window handles in Selenium? Okay, so I think I have already covered about like window handles and all those things in one of the video, but the question is that why do we use set collection rather than using the link list or other things? Okay, why we use set collection for the window handlers when we are working with multiple windows? Okay, in Selenium, why we use set? So this is the specific questions will be asked to the experienced automation engineer mainly. So to answer this one, let's first understand what is window handlers over here. Okay, so this is the command that we have for with driver, like driver.getWindowHandles, and which will return, okay, when we are dealing with the multiple windows and tab. When we use this command, it will return the set of string where each string is unique for Windows handle ID. So it will return the set of string and where each string is unique for the each window as a unique ID, okay, for the specific browser. And this is the uniqueness we need to maintain, and that's why we use a set. In one way I will just say, but let's understand why we use set over here instead of the other things. Okay, so why set, not list or array, for this situation while working with the window handles? So the three things is main, like uniqueness, unordered collections, and performance. Okay, so when we just says uniqueness, right, as I told you, set of string which each string will be the unique window handle ID. So for that one, each browser window has a unique handles, and a set is guaranteed that it won't allow you to store the duplicate value, and that's why set is the preference collection to use in this scenario. Okay, because in set you cannot store the duplicate values, and that's why it will help, it will ensure that all the values are unique and the distinct over here. This matches the nature of window handles, and no two handles will be have a same ID, so that's why it is useful. Another thing is unordered collection, right? So opening the window, so you are not opening the window on an ordered manner. Okay, maybe you are opening the window randomly. Okay, so that is unordered. And for this one, the order of window handles does not matter. Okay, you are usually switching or specific window by not indexing, or just based on the window that you are using. It's not depend on indexing of the window that you have opened, like first, second, third, something like that way. And that's why the set is also unordered. Okay, the set collection is also unordered, and which is very much handled by the set, that you can open the window, it will store the ID for that particular specific window, and then you can use that particular ID at any time on your automation script. Okay, and the third things will be the performance, like lookup on the HashSet will be much quicker and faster than the other I will just say the collection like list or array. Okay, so this can be faster checking the presence or iterating over the different handles ID that has been stored in the set collection. So these are the three things. If you answer like that way, why we use set, not list or array in window handles situation in Selenium, it is more than enough. Okay, and when we talk about syntax, this is the simple syntax that we use, and you must be know about like set string handles, driver.get handles. Okay, all the handles will be there, then you can iterate through the handles, and you can switch between the window, and you can perform, do something, means you can perform your automation steps, whatever the validation and all those things you need to perform. Okay, so these are the three things, the three main reason: uniqueness, unordered, and efficient lookup. Okay, these are the three things that make the set preferred choice to use with the window handlers in Selenium. Okay, so if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and share with your colleague who is preparing for the QA automation in engineer interviews. Okay guys, thank you.